Hi everyone, welcome back to the channel. In this tutorial, I will show you how to catch the new stone belly fish in Fish It. Okay, let's get started. First just head right to the crystal tab, and this is the only area where the stone belly fish spawns, like this. And since this stone belly fish is an uncommon tire fish, you don't need in-camp gear. Just use your mid-tire rod and medium bait. Like for example, you can use timpang rod, lucky rod, or Damascus rod. And for the bait, you can use lock bait or midnight bait. That's more than enough to catch it. And then after that, just start fishing in this area, in this crystal depth, and wait until you get the fish. And for the looks, this stone belly looks like this. Stone belly look like this. It has a brown color with rock like texture, blending perfectly with the environment like this. And okay, maybe that's it. If this helped you, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more tutorials. Thanks for watching, and see you.